Many small businesses lose $2,000 yearly from poor budget tracking, Forbes 2023. Create a free Goodbudget account to implement envelope budgeting. This method allocates specific funds, like $500 for marketing, ensuring disciplined spending. Next, set up 10 envelopes for your core business expenses, tracking each category's balance effectively. Open PocketGuard and link your business accounts for free, gaining immediate insight into what's left to spend. This app automatically categorizes transactions, showing you $347 in your pocket after bills. Then, review spending trends daily for better financial control. Since Mint has discontinued services as of 2024, create a free Wave accounting account for small business bookkeeping. This tool offers free invoicing, expense tracking, and basic reporting. Navigate to the Transactions tab to categorize your $1,200 in monthly expenses, ensuring accurate financial records. While YNAB is a paid app, open a 34-day free trial to experience its zero-based budgeting method. Assign every dollar a job, like $750 for rent or $120 for utilities. This approach helps small businesses prevent overspending by intentionally planning every expense, as reported by YNAB users in 2023. Access Copilot Money's 14-day free trial to explore AI-powered financial insights. This app aggregates data across accounts, identifying $47 in unused subscriptions or unusual spending patterns. Also, customize spending categories to match your small business needs, leveraging smart analytics. You've learned about 5 powerful money management tools? Next, watch our video on AI tools for automating invoice processing.